Give me what are we going to call this? Let's call it your project highlights. You can call it anything you want, but the bottom line is give me your projects. Project highlights, key projects, project experience, whatever you'd like. But give me your project highlights, okay? And it's very tempting to start by saying, by starting with the company and describing your role and things like that. Don't do that. Give me the title of the project, right? Or give me the primary technology within that project. So were you doing neural networks? Were you doing NLP? Were you doing image processing? Whatever you'd like, okay? But go ahead and tell me what the project was about, okay? So as an example, and also give me a little bit of the scope, right? So we're going to say you did with neural networks. Forms to identify customer concerns. And then what we're going to do for each one of these projects, we're going to make sure that we bold the initial part of it, okay? So this is what I want to see as far as your project highlights. Just tell me what it was about and what technologies you use, and give me an idea of the scope, right? So the 20,000 user feedback forms gives an idea of the scope. And we could have put in here something about natural language processing or NLP, right? NLP should be listed in the top of the technical skills, right? NLP is kind of a skill in its own right. And then we could have mentioned it here in the project description, right? I'm just typing here things quickly, just kind of top of mind. But this is the type of format that I want to see for your project highlights. Okay? And give me 3 to 4 project highlights.